If you're seeing Capcut error code 1008, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it fast, step by step. This error usually happens during export, and it's often caused by a corrupted clip, a hardware encoding conflict, or export settings that are just too heavy for your device. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to isolate the problem, remove the bad file, change the right performance setting, and export your project successfully again. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more Capcut tutorials, and let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is locate the corrupted clip. In many cases, Capcut error code 1008 appears because one part of your timeline is damaged or causing the export to fail. A simple way to find it is by splitting your video into smaller sections. Try exporting half of the project first. If that export works, the problem is in the other half. If it fails, the problem is in the section you just tested. Keep narrowing it down until you find the exact clip or segment that triggers the error. Once you've isolated the problem area, delete the corrupted clip from your timeline. After deleting it, re-import the original file and place it back into your project. Sometimes a file may look fine while editing, but it becomes corrupted during export. Re-importing it gives Capcut a fresh version of the clip and can immediately fix the render issue. If you have any duplicate copies of the same media, it can also help to try a different version of the file in case the original was damaged. Now let's move on to the second fix, which is disabling hardware encoding. This is one of the most common reasons Capcut export errors happen, especially on devices where the GPU or hardware acceleration is conflicting with the project. To do this in Capcut, go to the menu, open Settings, then click Performance. Look for the option that says Speed up hardware encoding and turn it off. After that, close the settings and try exporting your video again. In many cases, turning this feature off gives you a much more stable export, even if it may take a little longer to render. If you're still getting error code 1008, the next thing to do is reduce your export settings. Sometimes the project itself is too demanding, especially if you're working with high-resolution footage, effects, filters, transitions, or a long timeline. Try lowering the export quality from 4K to 1080p. If your video is set to 60 frames per second, reduce it to 30 frames per second instead. This can significantly reduce the load on your device and make the export process much easier for Capcut to handle. You don't always need the highest settings, especially if your content is meant for standard social media viewing. After making these changes, try exporting again from the beginning. If the export goes through, then you've confirmed the issue was likely caused by either the corrupted clip, the hardware encoding setting, or the export quality being too high. If it still doesn't work, go back and test each fix one more time carefully. In most cases though, one of these three steps will solve Capcut error code 1008 without needing anything complicated. So to quickly recap, first, find the corrupted clip by exporting in smaller sections and re-importing the bad file. Second, disable speed up hardware encoding in Capcut performance settings. Third, lower your export settings from 4K to 1080 or from 60 FPS to 30 FPS. These three fixes solve the problem for a lot of users and can save you a ton of frustration. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Capcut troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.